Hi guys, எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். Today's class will be discussing Unit 2, that is Lesson 2 Numbers. Okay. Look at the picture and answer the following. Number and name of the flower. Okay, this is rose. Name of the flower is rose. How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we got it right. How many flowers? 20. Okay, 20. 20, 20, 20, 20. Okay, 20. Name of the flower is rose. Okay, this flower, how many flowers the picture has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, now it is 15. Now, yeah, 15. This one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, the difference is only 5, right? First one is in number 20, second one 15, third one 10. Okay, fill in the blanks in each of the figures with missing numbers. 52, 53, 54. Okay, next 56, 57, 58, 59, like that. Here 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, right. Then 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Complete the given facts by placing plus for addition and minus for subtraction. Okay, 9 minus 3 is 6, is not 12, right? 9 plus 3 is 12, so you need to place plus here. Here, yeah, here also plus 80 plus 11, 91. Here minus 56 minus 21 is 35. Here also minus, here also minus, here plus 75 plus 17 is, yes, 92. Numbers sequence up to 1000. Numbers 0 to 9 are one digit numbers, that we know. Numbers 10 to 29, 99 are two digit numbers, that also we know. 99 is the biggest two digit number, that everybody knows. 10 is the smallest two digit number, that we all know, right? Formation of the numbers such as 10, 100 and 1000. When 1 is added with 9, we get 10. Okay. So 99 plus 1 is 100. 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay. 999 plus 1 is 1000. Okay. The numeral 1000 represents 1000, the smallest 4 digit number. 1000 has 10 hundreds, 10,000 has 100 tens. Read and write 3 digit numbers and number names. 100 is the smallest 3 digit number. You need to write other numbers also, 101, 102, like that. 101, 102, 103, like that. You have to name it. Number blocks, abacus, numeral form or number name. Okay, this is 200. Okay, we know ones place, tens place, right? This is 100th place. Okay, there are two, right? That means 200. 100 place 1 is there, so 1. 10th place 0, 0. Ones place it is 2, 2. 102, 102. Okay. 204. 204. Now you have to write 204 like that. Here 1 2 3 4 5. 5 you have to write here, 3 you have to write here, 2 you have to write here. How much it becomes? 532. 532. Okay. 1 2 3 4. 400 and 3. 403. Now what you need to do? Here you need to place 4, here 0, here 3. Here you have to fill 4 0. Now you got the idea, right? Here you need to write 4 0 3. Okay. Similarly, here in this in the bottom one, in the last one, 1 2 3 4 hundreds are there, 2 tens are there. This is 5, right? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. Here you need to place 4, here 2, here 5. 425. 4 2 5. Okay. That is how you have to do. Fine. Read and write the numbers from 101 to 200. Okay, 101 to 191 it is given, right? You need to fill like this: 103, 104, 105. No, no, not like that. Sorry. 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109. All the missing numbers you have to write: 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, like that to up to 120. 121, 122, 123, 124, up to 130, 131, 132, and so on 140. In this way, you have to fill up all the missing numbers in this table. Okay. Write the numerals for the given number names. Okay, 535, 535, 107, 107. Okay, let me write the remaining numbers. 128, that is 128. Okay, 128. It is quite bigger, right? Let me reduce the size. Now it is fine. Okay. 128. 600. How to write 600? Yes, 600. Okay. Next one, 905. So 900 plus 5, 905. That comes here. Okay. Write the number names for the following numerals: 150, 225. Okay. 2, because it is quite new to you, quite 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 new for you. I will write it for the second one: 200 and 20. Sorry, 25. Okay. Quite bigger. Let us reduce the size. Now it fits, right? 225. Thus third one, 300, 300 and 6. 100 place it is 0, right? So 300. Sorry, tens place it is 0. So 306. This is 535. 535. 535. 907. Next one, 900 and 992. 992. Okay, fine. See, since this is new to you, I wrote. Okay, from next time onwards, you need to write on your own. Okay, from 3-digit numbers using each of the given numbers only once. Form 3-digit numbers using each of the given numbers only once. 123, right? Similarly 321. Okay, let me form it. 321. Okay, next one 213. 213. Okay, 132. 132. Okay, 123. 312 also is there, right? You need to go both clockwise and counterclockwise. 312 also you can form, right? Then starting 2 first. 213 is over. 213 is over, right? 213. 231. 231 is not over. Now starting 2 first. Two numbers are there. 213. 231. Let's from 231. Okay, right. Starting 3 first. 321, 312. That is over, right? 321. Yes, 312. Both are over. Starting 2 first also you will get two numbers. Okay. Form 3-digit numbers using each of the given numbers only once. Again you need to write 123 only. The numbers you can form are only 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 123 is already given, right? So there are only 6. 6 only will come. Similarly you form all the 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Using this one I show you an example, right? Now you have to do it for yourself for this. Okay, and complete fill up all the blanks. Place value of a numeral in given number. 9 tens place, right? 6 is in ones place, 2 is in hundreds place, 9 is in tens place, 4 is in hundreds place, 8 is in tens place, 9 is in hundreds place. Okay, find the numbers represented in abacus by writing their place value. Here 300s, 4 tens, 2 ones. 300 plus 40 plus 2, 342. Like that. This one 400 plus 20 plus 1, 421. Okay. See 4, 2, 1. You just write the place value, automatically it will come. Okay. You need not to check also. 4 into 100 plus 2 into 10, 400 plus 20 plus 1. Like that also you can go in a long way. Otherwise you just write the place value here, automatically the answer will come. Okay, 4 2 1 421. This one similarly. Let's move it here. 100 place 1 is there, right? Only one. Tens place how many? 5. 5. Ones place how many? Here ones place. Yeah, 3. 3. 153. Fine. Otherwise you can also go in the long way. Your wish. You can expand like this: 200 plus 40 plus 6, 500 plus 70 plus 0, 600 plus 30 plus 7, 600 plus 0 plus 3, 900 plus 80 plus 9. Now expanded form you can also simplify, right? 256 this one, 985 this one, 551, 557 this one. Okay. Skip counting start skip counting starting from any given number. Skip counting starting from any given number. Skip counted in ones. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 62, 60. Okay, skip counted in ones. Skip counted in twos means 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72. Okay, incremental value is plus 2 here. Okay, this is plus 1. Complete the following by skip counting in 5s, 10s and 100s. 250, 255, plus 5, 260, 265, 270, 275. This one 500, 510, 510, 520, 540, 560, 580. This one 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. Comparison of numbers. Ramu has 125 groundnut chocolates and Geeta has 200 groundnut chocolates. Who has more? Who has more? This guy has 125, this girl has 200, so 200 is more. Ramu is standing here and Geeta is standing here, not here. No, 125, 200 only gave. This is cheating. Okay, no problem. Odd numbers and even numbers. These are even numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, if you increment plus 2, okay, you will get even numbers like in this way. Here odd numbers starts from 1, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. If you increment plus 2, you will get the other remaining odd numbers 15, 17, 19, like that. Numbers ending with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are called odd numbers. Numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, only 8 are called as even numbers. Okay. Color the balloons with odd numbers by yellow and even numbers by red. That you do whenever you get free time. Okay. Okay, after in the number sequence, after every odd number you will get even number, after every even number you will get an odd number. Circle the even numbers. 8 is even number, you circle it. 8, 70, okay. Next 84, these are even numbers. Okay, circle the odd numbers. I did it for only one, you have to do it for the remaining. Okay. Sir, I won't do for everything, right? You have to do it for yourself. 7 is an odd number, 3 is an odd number, 61 is an odd number. Whichever ends up with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are odd. Whichever ends with 2, 4, 6, 8 are even. Okay. Similarly, you proceed for the other numbers in the table. Okay. Greater and smaller numbers. Amuthan has 3 chocolates and his sister Meenakshi has 8 chocolates. Who has more? That's a very good question, interesting question. It's clearly visible, right? See, this girl has more, right? In a number line, 3 comes before 8, 8 comes after 8, 3. 3 is smaller than 8 or 8 is greater than 3. Meenakshi has more chocolates. No more. 0 does not have any value at the beginning of a number. No, you're right. You're right. If you put 0, 8, it is 8 only. Using symbols, 8 is greater than 3, 8 is 8 greater than 3. Okay. Oh, symbol for greater than and less than. This is greater than symbol. This is less than symbol. Okay. 8 greater than 3. 3 less than 8. 91 greater than 49. 27 less than 40. Like that, like that, like that. Comparison of numbers with different digits. Compare 115, 18, 89. Which one is more? 115 is more, which has 3 digits. Okay. Comparison of numbers with equal digits. Compare 160 and 250. See, hundreds place 2 is there. Here hundreds place 1 is there. So 250 is more. If the digits in the hundreds place are same, compare the digits in the tens place. Okay, that is good. 143, 151, which is more? Hundreds place 1 and 1. Okay. Tens place, this is 4 and this is 5. Which is bigger? 5 is bigger. So 151 is greater than 143. Okay, now see, if hundreds place, tens place numbers are equal, then you have to look at ones place. Okay, see here in this example, 100 place both numbers are equal, tens place are also both numbers are equal. In ones place 1 is there, in ones place 8 is there. Which is greater? 8 is greater than 1. So 148 is greater than 141. Now if the number digits in the hundreds place, tens place, ones place are equal, then both numbers are equal. Now you have to put this greater than, less than or equal symbol in the designated place. Okay, which is bigger? Right, don't worry, this is less than only. Okay, 710, 710 equal, right? Both are equal. 250 is greater than, this is greater than. Okay, खींचो इसको ना, ओके, खींचो खींचो खींचो, ओके, no, 250 is bigger. Okay, 614, 618, 614 is less, right? Less than 408, 308, 408, 408 is greater than 308. 719, 917, 719 is less than 917. The greatest 3-digit number is 999. The smallest 3-digit number is 100. Okay. Ascending and descending order. If you go in this way, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, this is called ascending order. Okay. From smaller to greater is ascending, and greater to smaller, this is descending. Okay. 230 is less than 235, less than 238. 238 is greater than 235, greater than 230. Okay, fine. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. I will do it only for A. Other things you have to do. See, 8 is smaller number in the given numbers. So write 8 first. Ascending order, right? And then 40. And then it's not 63. You are mistaken. 55. Next 63. Okay. Now you have to do for all remaining things. Remain C, B, C, D. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. I will do it only for A. Which one is greater? 503 is greater. Let's put it in the first box. Then 369. 369. That comes in the second box. Next 212. 212. 212. That comes in the third box. Last one is 60. That appears in the fourth box. This is descending order. Fine. You complete B, C, and D. Okay. To form greatest number and least number with the given numbers. I will do it for only one man. No, I'm too tired. I'm too tired. See, 9 is bigger, right? Put bigger one in the hundreds place first, and then 5 is bigger in, then 0. So put it in tens place, then 0. This becomes highest. Okay. Least number, first put 0, then 5, and then 9. Okay, 059 is the least number. Okay. Yeah, we can write it 0. Oh, not there, 059. Okay, is the smallest number. This one I can tell straight away. 763 is the greater number. Smallest number, greatest number, sorry. Smallest number, 367. Okay. Complete the following number sequence: 111, 222, 333, 444. Then what will come? 555, 666, 777. Like that. This one 150, 155, 160, 165. If you carefully observe, the difference between any two consecutive numbers is 5. Then add 5 here, 170, 175, 180. Right. Here 210, 310, 410, 510. See the difference? 100, right? Then 610, 710, yes, 810. This one 333, 433, 533, 633, 733, 833, 933. Find the numbers. 400s, 5 tens, 0 ones, 450. Only for A part I will do. Okay, 450. Remaining you have to do. Anyway, this is 301, this is 589, this is 85. 805, 805, not 85, 805. Okay, I am doing it for D bit also, since you may write 85. And tell my reference. That's why I am doing it for you. Write the number names. 156, like that you have to write. Write the place value for the bubble digits. This is hundreds place, this is ones place, this is tens place. Write down the odd and even numbers separately. Odd numbers 123, 333, 535. These three are odd. Even numbers 422, 246, 588. These are even numbers. Okay. Now 105 is less than 150. 419 is less than 547. 394 is greater than 387. This one greater than, this one equal to, this one less than. Write the numbers in ascending and descending order that you do. Using the numbers 6585 only once, write the greatest and smallest 3-digit numbers. This is, okay, let me write it, 865. Okay, first you have to write the greater number here, 8. Thereafter next greater number 6, then 5. That is greatest, it becomes greatest number. Then in the reverse order, 5, 6, 8. Now, yes, 568. This is the smallest right number. Okay. 70 plus 35, 105. 68 plus 23, how much? The one here, 91. 51 plus 37, 88. Okay. Do it for DEFG. 373. 373. Okay. 373. Okay, 373. Right. Add the following numbers. 7, 6, 9. 769. Okay. 7, 6, 9. 769. Okay. Do it for the other numbers. 6 plus 4, 10. 1 will come here. 6 plus 5, 19. 5 will come here. Okay. 15. See, 6 plus 4, 10, right? 1 will come here. In 10, 1 will appear here because 110 is there, right? That 10 has to be added here. This is 10th place, right? 6 plus 9, 9, 15. Yeah, 6 plus 9, 15. That 1 will again come here. 5 plus 6 plus 1, 7. Okay, that is 750. Okay. Again, I told you, right? 1 will come here. That is what it did. Now try on your own. Okay, 9 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10. Yeah, where it went, where it went, where it went. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Here only, right? Where it went then? Oh, okay. 0, right? 0, 1. That 1 will appear on top. Okay. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 will come at the bottom. Okay. 7 plus 2, 9. So answer is 970. Okay. Similarly, this one also. Let me do it because it may be difficult for you. That's why I am uh, doing it for B also. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 8, 19, right? Ones place 9 is there, so keep 9 here only. That one in tens, it will go to tens place. Okay, keep it on the top. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Okay, 6 has to come here. Okay, 3 plus 2 is how much? 5. 5 will come here. Okay, again next example also I am doing. I will do up to C. You have to do only D and E. 8 plus 2, 10, right? Again you have to place 1 in the tens place. 6 plus 4 plus 1, 11, right? So 1 is there in one's place, that 1 will go here. Okay, the remaining one will go to hundredth place. Okay, then 5 plus 5, 10, 11, 4, how much? 15. So this is 15, 10. Okay, you do it for D and E. See, the video is getting longer. Okay, let's stop it here and we'll proceed the remainder in the next class. Okay, thank you guys. Nandri, vanakkam.